Ciao, everyone. I'm Eszter.
Alfred from Artichokes in Sicily, reporting live.
Oh my God, he's been waiting to say that. That's a new one. We're actually in Catania, right outside of Catania, but I like Artichokes. Why not?
It works, right?
Hey, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. If you missed our Thanksgiving program, I'll leave you a link. And I wanted to take you guys around. We went shopping. We went to Bricoman, which is a hardware store. We went to our fruit and vegetable place, our bread place, our meat place. So we're going to take you around in just a little bit.
Well, here's what I like about today's video that we shot. That Eszter actually did a great job producing this. I was the security, but I was still there. Is listen to the ambient Sicilian dialect in all the places we go.
Yeah.
And if you close your eyes afterwards, you could actually pretend you're with us. Okay, so this is a Black Friday shopping in Sicily. So what do we have?
All right, first stop is going to be Bricoman, which is actually a hardware store. We get our supplies for the house, for the bathroom. What else do we get over there?
It's like that big place that they have in the United States of America that has everything in it. It's bigger than a hardware store. What's that big place called that is like in every... Home Depot. It's like Home Depot.
It's got decorations,
ginormous.
but take a look at the Christmas display they have there.
Here are the famous Testa de More, the Moor heads. We have some in our house as well.
Let's go walk in here.
Look at the Winter Wonderland. An enchanted village here at Bricoman, where we come and get all our supplies, our house supplies, our bathroom supplies. But look at all these displays out.
Yep.
Bricoman always has a beautiful display. This one's pretty. So you can walk through here, and Bricoman transforms this entire area into Christmas decorations. These are cool. Formaggi, cheeses, pane, spezzi, all the different workers. How cool is that? There's the farmacia. Let's see, what do we have down here? Looks like a teacher over here. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, this is cool. Little Christmas village. Very cool.
It's really nice.
Triple decker.
Look at there's Jesus down there, and on top there's his friend Umberto,
Yeah.
and then there's Guadalupe over there. This is something different from Bethlehem.
Oh. This is probably one of the best collections I've seen in a long time.
Well, they go crazy over this stuff. Look at the biggie over there. Let's get some more. People will enjoy this stuff.
Oh, this is my favorite. The Santa with the Sicilian flag. Oh, we should get one of these.
The serving trays.
Yeah, we have some of those. This is quite the collection this year.
All right, this is something you don't see in the United States. These are Christmas animals. I've never seen them. Look at that. They have pigs. They have boars. See the boar over there? They have beavers and rabbits. They have little doggies. They have ducks, quack, quack.
You know how much these are? They're between €5 and 90.
Between 5 and 90 euro each.
5 and 90. I think that.
Look at the owls, huh?
That's 50.
Symbol of good luck there. For the dog?
No, for the
The little boar. Who the hell would take a boar? I guess you could have it. Of course, they're all in the Brody Mountains, the boar. But this is a pretty interesting little display here, man. Okay, now we're in the Babbo Natale department. What do we have? You like that, huh? You know, my mother used to sing a song in dialects of singing. Look at that, huh? She used to say, instead of calling it Babbo Natale, she used to call it Sandu Clausu. And she would say, Sandu Clausu sta bunenuka. which means Santa Claus is coming
Hey,
here.
did you guys sing anything at home? Let me know in the comments.
What?
What kind of Sicilian songs did you guys sing?
They
for
had lots of
Christmas?
them, but I don't know any of them. This is good stuff, Munster.
Oh, I think we should get that Babbo Natale with the Sicilian flag.
I think tomorrow we're going to go out and get it, but let me say something to you, okay? Those mangers or nativity scenes are really unique in Italy as opposed to a lot of places in the rest of the world. There are stores that sell hand-painted little figurines that we saw in Catania that can cost hundreds of dollars each. And a lot of this stuff is family traditions, too. The one that you saw in the video is not.
No, that's made in China, right?
I think most of that stuff was probably made in China, but the authentic stuff that looks great, okay, cost a mint. M-I-T-I-N-T, mint. It's expensive.
How do you spell that?
No, it's expensive.
But seriously, in all seriousness, it's a big tradition. Like our friend and our guide,
Yeah.
Mata, her dad makes these all the time, and he starts just about now, and he'll make them up till Christmas. But it's a beautiful tradition here in Sicily.
It's, thanks to St. Francis, like I said last week. St. Francis was the guy that got the Pope to okay the use of statues, okay? And ever since that happened, look what happened. China is now the second biggest economy in the world.
For making mangers.
Thanks, Francis.
All right, next stop, we're going to go to a fruit and vegetable place that we haven't been to in quite a while, and I have to be quite honest with you. Well, first, watch this video.
Now you can see how he makes the artichokes. Con aglio, olio, parsley, olive oil. Come pepperoncino. He puts the hot pepper flakes here. I love that. A little bit of olive oil. Castagne quanto costa? It's 12 euro a kilo. What do you think, Al?
500 grammi.
Come va?
Tutto bene, tutto bene.
Tutto bene. Got the oranges, the persimmons. This guy's, we come here a lot, believe it or not. So this is what an artichoke looks like. They're long. Buongiorno. Have you guys ever seen this? And then here they are, ready to be stuffed or boiled or something yummy with it.
Persimmons.
Persimmons. Questa kaki or lotti? Lotti. Lotti.
Oh, I know. You eat the lotti and then you do a kaki.
Un po' di uva. Sì, sì. Poco poco.
Bianca?
Tutti e due. No, questo è perfetto. Honey, I think just get a...
Di dove siete?
Da qui. Da qui.
Dico, l'accento forse...
Americani.
Americani.
Cimi di rape? Ce l'ho?
Sì, certo.
Quanto costa chilo?
3 kg.
3 kilo? Facciamo 1 chilo, per favore. Sì. You know what this is? This is a cheddar. It's bigger than my hands. Look at how big that is. It's a citrusy type. Not a lemon, although it looks like a humongous, ugly lemon, right? And inside it's pretty soft, and then it tastes a little bit like grapefruit, but it's very good. Castagni and the prickly pears. But look at this. This is what the prickly pears look like, all cut up. See? Different colors. Here's some zucca. You can make some good soup with the zucca. Good little collection of tomatoes here, and also the mushrooms. For the most important thing, vino. See, this is how they have them in the barrels. 180 a litro. Vino Zigibo, that's a sweet type of a wine, and we buy them like this in a plastic bottle. Nero d'Avola, Vino bianco. Cool, huh? Hai trovato?
Sì, là.
Perfecto, all the way in the bottom. The fridge here. Purple cauliflower, cavifiore. Come chiama questa cavifiore? Roma.
Cavifiore romano, sì.
Romana, vero?
Sì.
Buono. Look at these, how cool are they? Ok, perfetto. Allora, lattuga, per favore.
Lattuga?
Lattuga, sì. 80?
Sì.
Ma questo è piccolino.
Lo so. Marco,
È brutto tempo.
aspetta, vediamo quando questo romano.
E romana quanto?
Sempre 80.
Sempre 80?
C'è scritto.
Sì, 80. Sì, una. These are the smallest lettuces I've seen here in a long time. But he said it's because of the bad weather. So. Ok, basta così. Oh, scusa. Zucchine verde. For my zucchini spaghetti that I like to have every day. Nero d'avola?
Uno nero tavola.
Sì. Grazie mille. There's the vino. Grazie. Cara?
Formaggio, ricotta salata, formaggio.
Buono. Grazie, prossima volta. Always trying to sell me something else. No. Queste patate, ma questa è buono.
Questi lupini.
Zucchini, sì, siciliano. Zucchini, look at the honey made out of chestnuts, ricotta, the tuna. This is really particular. The honey made out of chestnuts. Very good. Grazie. Vediamo. Forse un'altra bianco. Broccoli, cauliflower. Buon lavoro, grazie.
I got to be honest with you guys. I was a little bit disappointed in the fruits and vegetables, but of course we had brutal weather. The fruits and vegetables were just not up to par.
Well, of course, since they were sunk underwater. Did you see the size of your lettuce? They look like freaking Brussels sprouts, for heaven's sakes. They were
Usually
small.
they're
They were small.
ginormous.
And the grapes that she pulled out, those purple things that didn't have any seeds. Normally they're like eating little after dinner mints. They're so good.
Mm-hmm.
These guys had. I was telling her yesterday. They had almost no taste. They were waterlogged.
How
There was
about the
nothing-
persimmons, the latte?
The persimmons, they were okay. They went.
Yeah.
I said to her, I used the term fair average quality. I mean, right now, because of the weather, and until they get their mojo back in terms of a flavor profile, what are you going to do?
Yeah.
This is what you're going to
But
do.
still, I'm not going to complain. Compared to the
No,
United
come
States,
on.
I'm not going to complain. All right, next.
Wait a minute. All that crap, all that stuff that we bought yesterday, right? The wine. She bought 3 things of wine. All those fruits and veggies. It was under $30. So how are you going to complain? Right now, the prices are dirt cheap. In terms of what I just saw in the United States, they're dirt cheap here for this consumer stuff that we're eating, fresh stuff.
Yeah. All right, the next stop is going to be, I've been on a hunt for lamb for you, and then we're going to go to the bread place.
I'm dying to have some lamb.
Eremio di Sant'Anna. I love this wall. Right here. On our way home. Alfred's been wanting some agnello, some lamb, so I'm going to go in here and check. Buongiorno. Little meat place. Ciao. This is one of the little local meat places that we go to. Hai agnello?
No,
Settimana prossimo? Quando? Martedì. Ok. 1 chilo per favore?
para forno.
Sì, per forno. Grazie. Look at all the involtini they have here. That's the rolled meat. This one has cheese. That one has prosciutto with a little bit of salt. The messinese is the one Alfred likes. The beef one, the pork ones. Ooh, this one has pistachio and Philadelphia cream cheese in it. Interesting. Okay, grazie mille. More wine. All right, next to the bread place. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Remember here? Tutto bene? We did the sweets one during All Saints and All Souls Day. She talked about all the different sweets. But I'm here to get some, looks pescacciata. Some pizza. Hi, pizza margherita, ciao. Pizza margherita. This is the pizzas they have. Sì, una minuzzi.
Queste sono le cassadelle che gira, buonissime.
E dentro che sono?
Cioccolato, mandorle fritate e arrosto.
No, solo minuzzi di massanata.
Minuzze. Questi qua invece sono al cocco, col cuore di Nutella e poi ricoperto di cioccolato classico o quello bianco. E qui abbiamo il bonbon con crema al pistacchio oppure queste cose.
Here she also has some of the lunch items.
Allora, 2,50.
French fries, everything, of course. The bread. All types of great bread. And the lunch pizzas.
Apriamo alle 7 del mattino e chiudiamo alle 9 di sera.
7 in the morning to 9
Pausa
at night.
pranzo, niente, mangiamo qua. Poco
They
di
eat-
cucina al volo.
E mangia un buon pane.
Mangiamo il pane, la pizza, la schiacciata, quello che abbiamo voglia. Qua di fame non si muore, garantito.
Here
Garantito.
from hunger you don't die. Guarantee, she said. They're open from 7 in the morning to 9 at night. No time for pranzo, but they'll have some pizza, pane. Come si dice? Da fame non muore.
Non si muore, di fame non si muore qua.
No.
C'è troppa roba buona da mangiare qua.
Plenty to eat here. Grazie. Oh, vediamo, pronti? Grazie.
All right, so I finally got your pizza margherita. It was kind of good that they weren't ready, so it gave me a little bit of time to do some filming. But how was your pizza?
Okay, before I want to talk about the pizza, I want to talk about the gal behind the counter. Man, is she a hustler? You can go in there for a piece of bread and you're going to walk out of there with like 14 other things.
Which I did.
Her tortillas, her cookies are really good.
Yeah,
They
we
do a good
featured
job.
her a few weeks ago when we did the All Saints and All Souls Day
Yeah.
cookies.
But
All right,
she's
so
a real
back
hustler,
to my
that woman, huh?
question.
What?
Back to my question. How's your pizza?
Listen, Esther, after, I think it was King Louis XIV said, après vous, le déluge, which means after you, the flood. Esther, I can't compare any other pizza to the pizza you make.
I like the new expression, although I have heard that expression,
Right.
the fame qui non mori.
What does that mean?
From hunger here, we don't die. Of course, in
Hey.
a bread place, of course not.
Before I forget, Esther.
Yeah.
Not that I'm into, remembering stuff, but it was 8 years ago, yesterday, that you and I met for the first time. Do you remember
Late
that?
November in 2013.
That's when it was. 8 years ago, we were invited to my brother Tommy's radio
No,
program.
I was invited to fill in.
Yeah, she was the
And
fill-in.
he was the guest.
Right, and I was the guest because I had just come back from Sicily. I took my daughter Katie, and I was really jet lagged. But being the trooper that I am, I show up.
This is in Massachusetts, by the
Right.
way. His brother has a radio show called The Sicilian Corner.
Right. So, anyways, I go on the show. I was gonna just be my normal, charming self, and then there's this blonde bombshell over there, and it was almost like she couldn't take her eyes off me. I mean, she was
Do you
following
guys
left,
even
following me to the
believe
right.
the story? Do you believe the story?
It was
Do you
unbelievable.
believe the story?
So my daughter Katie, after the thing, says, "Wow, Dad, that woman was really whatever to you," and I was like, "Nah."
That's not what she
And
told me.
then very
What she-
next
well,
day,
excuse
she
me,
called
what
me
she
up.
told me is, hey, Dad, you should get together with that girl. Also, she's a good reporter. That's exactly what she told me.
Okay, but this is my version of the truth, right?
I'm here to fact
So,
check
anyways,
you.
so we went out to dinner or lunch. We went out to lunch.
Lunch, and we
the
never did
next
dinner.
day.
Never did dinner.
because I was still testing her out. You know what I'm saying? Lunch is okay. So, we, and then I invited her to come here just for a few weeks to shoot some
Well,
video.
wait a second.
right.
Let's fill in some of the other things.
ahead.
Like, first of all, I invited you to be on my TV show.
That's right, that's
how
right.
it
Okay,
went.
okay, right.
And we had a 30-minute discussion about Sicily, about your books, about the Sicilian project, about all things Sicilian. And
Is
then
that still up on the video?
yeah, that's on my YouTube. Yeah.
Oh.
We should put it up on
We should put
our
it up
You-
there.
our
Just,
YouTube.
we should put it up just so
So
people
in
can
any
see
case,
it. You can see how she acted that day. She was like,
so in any case, after the cameras were off, the lights were off, they were taking off the microphone off of us. He said, you know what, why don't you consider coming to Sicily and maybe doing some videos about Sicily, having to do with my books, having to do with your own research, and so forth. So we ended up going out to a series of lunches to plan this, and then someone came up with the name You, Me, and Sicily. We put it out there. We said, what
I
should
think
we
it was
call this?
Caroline.
I think it was maybe it was
Caroline?
Caroline. It was
Caroline
Caroline
from
or Vivian.
California, Fontana, California.
Or it was
I put
Vivian.
it on my face.
I can't remember.
One of the two, but I
So
think
in
it was
any
Caroline.
case, so we had all this plans, and then I was going to come here in June of 2014 to do 6 episodes. Well, it ended up staying 5 months. So I was supposed to stay just for 3-4 weeks. 5 months later, I was still here, still not done with Sicily, and here we are in 2021, over 200 videos on Sicily, and still not done, still going.
My daughter Jennifer says to me that Esther coming into my life was the best thing that ever happened to
Aw.
me. I mean, other than my 3 kids, right?
You're sweet.
And I really have to agree with her. It's been 8 years. It's gone by really fast. I can't believe it. 8 years. We've made over, I don't know how many videos. How many videos?
Over 200, I said it earlier.
200 videos.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
You have some T-shirts to talk about.
Oh, yeah. Hey, listen, you know the T-shirts? Listen, what we're doing over here, this is an extended Black Friday sale, only till Monday. That's it. After Monday, the prices go back up. All our inventory, $17.
Well, let's give it a date because this is airing,
the
going live
30th
on
of November,
Sunday.
that's it.
Let's
Basta.
do December 1st.
Till December 1st.
December
Okay, she's
1st.
just twisting my arm. All the T-shirts, the hats, everything else. We got a bunch of them sold on the last show. How much did we say? $19. Okay, plus free shipping. I like that 19. $19 is a
Okay,
good number.
we'll go to
Because that's
19.
also the same number for my books. So all our shirts, all our hats,
And they're
all our
really good
books, 3
quality.
books, all free shipping, $19. Now, we're not changing anything online. So if you go online and you put an order in, you're going to pay top dollar. Not top dollar, I mean not the non-sale dollar. What you got to do is, please, is either message Esther or me on Facebook or message Esther any place else you can. Esther. And give me, or me, and we're going to get, Jennifer will get it out next week. They'll promise you they're going to get there way in time before Christmas. They're great Christmas presents. The books will be $6.25 each. You could take away, that's a bunch of stocking stuffers for people, you know,
Yeah.
so it's a good deal.
The other thing we did, you guys, is put up our Christmas tree and Christmas decorations. Take a look at this. Our 2021 Christmas tree is up. It's not even December, but we decided to put it up earlier and has decorations from Hungary, from Sicily, from the United States. There you go. Then we have the Major here and Santa. And of course, La Befana. She, of course, comes in January. There you can see Alfred's liquor collection, nice and full. So there you go. Oh, this one Alfred got, Zeffarana. Those are handmade, and that rock is lava rock. How cool is that? All right, there you go. A little peek at our 2021 Christmas tree in Sicily.
And you know something else?
Tell me.
We bought some lights for the front deck, and last night we hooked them up. Esther and I hooked them up. You know, not a lot of lights, but some
very,
lights.
very
Every
festive.
year we add something to our Christmas repertoire. Now, do you remember in the video you saw at Bricoman, she liked that Santa with the Sicilian flag? Well, tomorrow I'm going to go out and get that and bring it into the house. that could be a thing for this
Yeah.
this year, you know. So I'm very happy, and the lights out here gives it a nice warmth.
Yeah.
Don't you think
know
so?
what I want to do? I want to show you guys what a beautiful November day we're having. Pretty, huh? Where are you guys watching from? I want to know where you guys are watching from.
I have one more thing to say, if I could, before
Go
you.
ahead.
Listen,
Yeah.
this weekend, thanks to Giovanni Lanza from the Sicilian Project, we got out 3 more donations,
Yeah.
including a church in Sicily that had its roof blown off. We made a donation to them, a place in Bagadia, and where else? A place
Enna.
in Enna. 3 of them are going out. Please, why don't you make a donation for Christmas time or for now to the Sicilian Project, thesicilianproject.com, and we're going to get more out, okay? So the more money we can collect, it's a 501c3 nonprofit, write it off on your taxes. The more money we get in is the more money we get out.
And of course, right now is a time of great need for the Sicilians, especially now, not just because of COVID, but as you know, we've had those terrible storms, and Christmas is coming up, so we hope to get a little bit more money out there very soon. And I'm looking forward on December 8th to going to Mass and also serving some food to poor in one of the churches in Catania.
Well, we're also getting ready, too, in a couple of weeks, 3 weeks I think it is. We're having our little
Christmas tour.
Christmas tour coming in. Bobby DeBassi and Breezy and Dr. Rosemary and her husband are going to be here
Hey, you
with
know,
us.
we still have 2 spots left.
Okay, we have 2 spots left. If you'd like to join us, it's not too late. What I was going to say, though, is on the 23rd of December, which is the day before Christmas Eve, this is the eve of Christmas Eve, I guess. Yes, the eve of Christmas Eve. We're going to have our world-famous
Christmas
Party.
party. Last
Christmas
time we had
party,
it
yeah.
was 2019, so
Yep,
I'm
it's the
looking forward
first
to
time.
that. We're going to have, of course, scacciata, meat and spinach pie, all traditional foods.
That's
eaten.
correct. And
From-
I'm hoping we see some storko
Of course,
pretty
we're
soon.
going to have that. Stocco or bacala, we're going to have that.
Storko and
for
bacala,
Christmas.
and you know, we're going to be going to places. I understand that the Christmas market has not been canceled in Catania
No,
so far.
but-
The lights are up now.
Yep.
We should go down there and get some
Yep.
pictures of the
They
lights.
started the Christmas market in downtown Catania, but unfortunately the Festa of San Agata, February 4th and 5th, which is one of the largest religious festival in the world, it's actually the 3rd one, has been canceled. It's not really canceled, it's just going to be virtual. So the approximate million people that usually descend on Catania will not be coming.
Well, it really takes a hit. The economy takes a hit in Catania because a lot of
Huge.
those vendors and restaurateurs and bars and stuff like that, they really depend on that do-re-mi, so to speak, for that time of the
They'll
year.
still
I mean,
do some business, but not like that.
Not that much. But the Christmas market is terrific. There's some good bargains galore down there. I'm hoping that, you know, we get down there. Like, we're going to get down there, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So, like, next week. And the other thing that's on my agenda anyways, I've decided I'm going to get the booster. The booster, whatever you call it.
Yeah, the third
And
part-
so there's a
third
lot of
shot.
things happening between now and the end of the year in December. As long as this weather holds
Yeah.
up, we're good to go.
You know,
Anything else to talk about? Anything else to show on video?
No, we're good.
How do you
Okay.
like this video format? I prefer
Yeah,
the
I wanna
video.
know.
I like the video format where we go out every day and we give you little vignettes of things local that we're doing, okay? And I really thought
The
it'd come
life.
with us.
A day in the life
Right,
of
and
Eszter
then as
Alfred.
we start gallivanting hither and yon farther, I want to continue on doing this. I think it's great. It seems that a lot of more people are enjoying actually seeing and hearing.
Here's what I want to know.
Hearing this
Here's
stuff.
what I want to know. I want to know what questions you guys have for us for the next video. I'll take a piece of paper and write them down, and we'll address some of those issues for sure on the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, please, please hit the like, subscribe to this channel, and leave us a comment. What do you want to hear more about, and whether you enjoyed this format. Thanks so much for watching.
God bless you. Thank you so much. So Benedigo.
Ciao.